Are you looking for staycation inspiration? New places to go? New things to see? Maybe even hedgehog ice cream? Yes, really. Stay tuned and find out more. Hi, it's Matt here from Motorhome Holiday Company and thatleisureshop.com. I am immensely proud to present to you issue 2 of our Staycation Inspiration magazine. In this issue, which has taken a huge amount of time by our whole team to pull together, they've done a fantastic job. We visit a whole range of locations in the UK to inspire you for your day trips, weekends away, or perhaps a week-long trip. We go to Wales, the southwest, the southeast, the east of England, the Midlands, northern England, and lots of places in Scotland. In each location, you can expect to see days out, which beaches to go to, see this, so places to see, attractions to go and visit, what to eat, and what and where to drink for each location. Absolutely brilliant. It's really, really inspiring. And on top of that, at the back of the magazine, you'll find there's a bit of information about our shop, which is online, but you'll also find our 15 best apps for planning your motorhome holiday. This includes a brilliant motorhome dimension sat-nav, which is free. Spotify is a great music app. Some brilliant apps for finding campsites like Park for Night, Search for Sites, and many more as well. So really useful apps. There's also a guide to motorhome wild camping in the UK, and we dismiss many of the myths around the phrase wild camping and what it actually means and what you can and can't do legally in a motorhome in the UK. Plus, there's our top 13 tips to protect your home while you're away on holiday. So I would encourage you to go and get your copy, get inspired this season. It's completely free as a digital magazine, and look at the URL at the bottom of the screen. It will tell you where to go. If you want a copy in the post, we think you'll really appreciate being able to leaf through a printed copy. Ideal for the coffee table, in the lounge, the bedside cabinet, or even the toilet if you must. Have a fabulous time, and we hope to see you soon.